We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Push and pull factors need to be studied and understood more by the general populace. This is because they are ever more prevalent in our current society, politically or not. We need to understand why people are migrating to the U.S. and why you might be compelled to migrate somewhere else. With the why out of the way, we will now explain what exactly push and pull factors are and why they are increasing. Push factors are things that push people away from where they currently reside. There are a lot of different push factors that exist, and they all have different extremities and how often they succeed in pushing people out. One of the most common ones is a dictatorship or a corrupt government, as these will take away rights and take away people's happiness, which will compel them to leave. Another very common one is natural disasters, such as earthquakes, tsunamis, flash flooding, or anything else that can destroy people's homes, causing them to want to leave, not only because they have just lost many of their possessions and their livelihood, likely, but they have also just lost the feeling of safety in their own home and country. Pull factors are the opposite of this, being things that pull people towards a place. For example, if you've ever had to move because of a job, that is a pull factor. Pull factors are often the less used ones, despite most people thinking they would be similar usages. This is likely because pull factors are based on needs and desires, and a lot of needs and desires can be met in the current place you are, which is why pull factors are often not as used. Some other examples of pull factors are complete acceptance into a society right when you step into it. Another example of a pull factor is a good and strong government that not only has the power to do good things and does them, but lets people's voices be heard. Now, why push and pull factors are increasing? This is likely due to a mix of transportation increase and also a lot more disasters happening due to global warming. The transportation increase, such as planes and other like cars and stuff becoming more easily accessible as they become outdated, can lead to many people wanting to migrate into and out of places. More natural disasters also is a major push factor, and because of climate change, melting the ice caps, making it hotter and more susceptible to fires, it pushes people out of the current place where they reside to a place with less natural disasters. Now, why you need to know about these is because if you don't understand exactly what can push and pull people to migration, you can't really form an opinion on migration itself. And in this current political climate, most people need to if we want anything to change at all. This is why we need to all learn about the factors that make people want to migrate in the first place. Thank you very much. This has been a PSA from your local AP Human Geo class. Please educate yourself on push and pull factors. Goodbye.